Little kitty is all done. Meow. Meow. And as soon as the character is done, before my desk gets cleaned, around the corner we go. And I had already set it on the shelf, but I was just cheating the shot, you might say, to show. I set him here by my toady elf. And then I suddenly realized it almost looks like she's singing opera and the kitty cat's joining in. Here's the best part. These little tableaus happen. Look. Oh, he's not a fan. So then I get over here and I start playing because I start thinking, like, who else should be like, oh, you look like you would like to be there. He's gonna wanna. Oh yeah, he's listening. He's just on the fringes. This guy's mine.